In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your WordPress website in Hostinger step by step. Creating regular backups is one of the most important things you can do to protect your website. Whether you're updating plugins, changing themes, or making major edits, having a backup ensures that you can restore your site quickly if anything goes wrong. So if you're using Hostinger and want a safe and simple way to download your WordPress backup, this guide is for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and web hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, go to hostinger.com, and click on Login at the top right. Enter your email address and password, then access your dashboard. Once you're inside your Hostinger control panel, you'll see your account overview. Next, click on Websites. This section shows all the domains and websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the WordPress website that you want to back up. Once you locate it, click on the Manage button next to that website. This will take you to the Site Management area, where you can control files, databases, backups, and other important settings. After clicking Manage, scroll down until you see the Files section. Inside this section, you'll find different file-related options. Look for the option labeled Backups and click on it. This is where Hostinger stores automatic backups and allows you to create new ones manually. Now you'll see the Backup Management page. Depending on your hosting plan, you may see automatic daily or weekly backups already available. If you want to download an existing backup, simply select the backup date you prefer. If you want the most up-to-date version of your website, click on Generate New Backup. This ensures you're creating a fresh backup with your latest content, themes, plugins, and database changes included. After selecting Generate New Backup, click on Prepare Backup. Hostinger will now start preparing your backup file. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. Larger websites with more media files and content may take slightly longer, so just give it a moment to process. Once the backup is ready, you'll see the Download option become available. Click on Download, and the backup file will start saving to your computer. Make sure you store this file in a safe location, such as an external drive or cloud storage, so you can access it whenever needed. And that's it. Your WordPress website backup has now been successfully downloaded to your computer. If anything ever goes wrong with your site, you'll have this backup ready to restore your content and get back online quickly. As a best practice, I recommend creating backups before installing new plugins, updating your WordPress version, changing themes, or making major design edits. Even though Hostinger provides automatic backups on many plans, having a manual backup gives you extra peace of mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical WordPress tutorials. I regularly post step-by-step guides to help you manage your website with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.